In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gmail chat in just 5 minutes. This guide will take you through the essential steps to enable and use chat features directly within Gmail, making it easier for you to communicate with friends, family, or colleagues. So, grab your laptop or phone because we're diving right in. To begin, open up Gmail in your preferred web browser and head straight to the main inbox page. Here, you'll want to locate the settings icon. It looks like a little gear in the upper right hand corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on it. This will reveal a drop down menu, and from here you need to select the option that says See All Settings. This path will take you directly into the detailed settings of your Gmail account. Once you're inside the settings menu, look towards the top for a tab that says Chat and Meet. This is where you'll find all the options related to Google Chat. Click on this tab to proceed. Now that you're in the right section, the next step is to enable Google Chat. It's a checkbox option that you'll have to select. This feature allows you to use the chat function seamlessly integrated with your Gmail account. After selecting Google Chat, don't forget to scroll to the bottom and hit Save Changes. This is crucial to ensure that all your newly selected settings are applied. Now return to your inbox, and you should see the chat icon located typically on the left side of the screen. Click on it and you will enter the chat interface. Here you can start a new conversation by selecting the New Chat button. When you click on this, a search bar will emerge. It's time to type in the email address of the person you want to chat with. Make sure to double check the email address to ensure you're contacting the right person. Once you've input the correct email address, click on Start Chat. This action will open up a chat window where you can interact using text messages. Simply start typing your message in the provided text field at the bottom of the chat window. When you're ready to send, press the enter key or click on the send button, depending on your device, and just like that you are chatting away using Gmail Chat. This feature is designed to keep you connected and facilitate real-time communication directly through your email platform. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and easy to follow. Thanks for tuning in and happy chatting.